All right, folks, welcome back. This is support for question number 4. We're given a little bit of a passage here. It says, a scientist announced that she discovered a strain of mice that does not develop cancer even after repeated injections with chemicals known to cause cancer in normal mice. To demonstrate to the scientific community that her discovery is legitimate, the most important thing that the scientist must do is which of the following, A through D. So once again, we're going to put in test-taking strategies here. We're going to see if we can eliminate bad answers, come down to what might be the best answer provided. Let's just start from the top. Question, or choice A says, repeat the experiment with neutral observers. Well, hopefully we realize this is not the best answer. First of all, if you have observers or not, that really shouldn't affect the outcome of your experiment. If somebody really is concerned, if you're taking bad, right, are taking bad data, they might have observers, and it might be good to have a neutral or an impartial observer, but it's definitely not the best choice of all the answers given. So we're going to go ahead and eliminate choice A. B says, it must be most important that the scientist explain the mechanism involved. Well, that could be a good answer. Definitely, if you are able to articulate your topic very well, that should instill trust in others that you might know what you're talking about. So that seems like a reasonable answer. We'll come back to this one. I don't have enough information to discard this one yet. Choice C, provide verifiable evidence to support your claim. This already is a much stronger answer than B. We're going to eliminate B because science is all about evidence-based things. Do you have something quantifiable to support your claim? So this sounds like a really good answer. Let's just double check. D says to announce the research that you've done at a press conference. Well, this might be a way for the scientists to explain their information to the public, but what's important here is you can have a press conference for anybody. Who are we explaining to this? We're explaining this to the scientific community. The scientific community has much greater standards for evidence than everybody else. So because we are trying to explain this to a scientific community, we definitely want things that support our evidence. We need claims for that. So in this case, our answer for this question is C. That was number 4.